Hello, in this video I'm going to give my review of the Facebook dating app. This is what the dating app looks like, and after you sign up for Facebook right now they make you wait 30 days before you can get access to it. The dating app's only available on the phone, it's not available on the website, and they limit you to a certain amount of matches per day. I'm not sure how many. It might be 100, but I'm not sure. It seems to kind of vary for me. But you can only match so many people per day, even though it's free. So all you do is you match the ones you like, and then if they match with you, then they show up under matches. You can also do friendship and then match with them for friendship. And if they click that they like you, then they show up under like you, and then you can match them if you're interested. This is an example of a fake profile. So you have girl photos with the girl facing away from the camera. And then at the end you have a guy's photo, or sometimes it'll be a girl's photo, but it looks different from the other photos. And then later on, this photo at the bottom will disappear, most likely. Why they're using this method to make the fake profiles, I don't know. Most likely has something to do with the way Facebook works. Now, that doesn't mean that this is the only type of fake profiles. I'm sure there's other types of fake profiles, some that look exactly like a real profile, but this is just one example of what I've been seeing recently. If they send you their WhatsApp or Telegram on the first or second message, like this one and this one, I think they're fake. I put on my profile no WhatsApp or Telegram, and they still send their WhatsApp or Telegram, so I don't think they're even reading my profile. If you think they're real, you can try to message them, but in my opinion, I think when they do that, they're all fake, so I just unmatch them. So in conclusion, I think the Facebook dating app is worth trying out because it's free, but there are a lot of fake profiles. I don't know how many, but in my opinion, it seems like a lot. It seems like it could be as high as 90%. But I have no way to, verify what the actual percentage is. But because it's free, I think it's worth trying out.